Ayan, nagbabalik ang homepage usong-uso ngayon ng online business. Mula accessories, damit, furnitures, lahat ay maaari nang mabili mula sa internet, kasama na dyan ang pagkain.
At mga ka-homepage, this morning isang napakasarap at usong-usong pagkain Pinoy ang hatid namin sa inyo. So, ito ang inasal. Para matikman ito, wala kayong ibang dapat gawin kundi mag-online. Ang tawag nila dito, on-site grilling.
Oo. Anyway, to tell us more about this, makakasama natin ang owner of Lolo Arts Chicken Sarap, si Mr. Arturo Legarde. Good morning po, Lolo Arts.
Yes,
and welcome to homepage.
Good morning, Miss Patty, and to all our televiewers and friends out there.
Ayan.
Good morning,
Lolo
a
Art.
pleasant good morning to all of
Lolo
you.
Art, tell us about on-site grilling. So, ano po ba yung on-site grilling?
Well, on-site grilling is grilling the foodstuffs right where the party is or right where the event is, so people can see and smell and all those
So,
stuff.
right before their very
Right there,
eyes.
right before the very eyes. So we bring our tent, we bring our grill equipment, working table right there. Usually in the garden.
Oo.
when
So,
the party
this business is really different from yung pupunta ka sa restaurant.
Yes.
So, ito ay iluluto sa harap,
Yes,
sa harap
right
mo
before
mismo.
your very eyes, ma'am.
Where do you get that idea po?
Well, chicken inasal in the first place. No, we are a closely knit food
Food
loving
lover.
family.
Okay.
And every time we get together, it's in a cookout setting, and of course, chicken inasal is the main menu. So we got this inspiration from that, and this is what we're good at. We feel and we believe, from the marination to the processing and all these things.
So, what makes inasal different from a regular chicken barbecue?
Well, inasal is on the asim side, if I may say. But
okay.
barbecue is on the sweet side.
Sweet side.
Yes. That's the main difference.
Ayan. Pero, yun nga, no, Patty, alam naman natin, naamoy natin dito sa harap natin. Samyo pa lang, masarap na ang amoy. Pero, yun nga, curious kami ni Patty, why is this masarap even sa amoy pa lang po?
Well, if I may explain, I have to start from the concept of this business. Inasal actually is a very common product. And every
in
home,
every corner,
I believe has grilled chicken, and it's found in every nook and corner of the country.
Pinoys love
Yes.
grilled, anything grilled.
But in our case, what makes us different is that we're not selling a product. We're promoting an experience. Okay. And what is this experience? We call this the chicken sarap experience. It's bringing people together to have fun, to have good relationships, and family bonding, intimate gatherings and togetherness. This is what we're out to do. This is what we're out to promote. And to come about with this kind of experience, we put together a package of superb, unique marinade for our product, and then the grill on site. The grill on site has many advantages because you grill on site and people can see it. You give your client the utmost guarantee, confidence and satisfaction of being able to see that you're doing it there, right at their very eyes, right? And the experience of smelling the aromas, different aromas of the chicken, and seeing the smoke and all these things.
Yeah, experience.
Yes.
Di ba, Patty, parang this is the first time na may narinig tayo ng on-site grilling, ano? So, and you came from Bacolod.
Yes.
Why did you decided to bring it to Manila?
Well, because we feel and figured out that this is where the market is. In Bacolod, there's so many chicken inasal restaurants, and the population is very limited. But here in Manila, I think it's very broad.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, aside from chicken and sa Lolo Art, what do you offer sa on-site grilling ninyo?
Well, as you can see, we have the chicken, we have the barbecue, the liempo, and the famous chicken bat, the
Chicken
isol
bat.
of Bacolod. We have the fresh lumpia ubod.
Lumpia-ubod.
We have
Pero,
also the grilled bangos, okay, and the famous Ilonggo Batsoy and Pancit Molo.
ayun. Pero, why is this lumpiang ubod different from the others?
Well, in Bacolod, we have a special way of processing fresh lumpia ubod. As you can see, there is no sauce. but the special taste is inside, it's in the paste.
Ayun. And
Yeah.
hindi syempre namin palalampasin ni Patty na hindi tikman yan, ano? While you are giving tips on
Sure.
putting an on-site business, Lolo Art, ano ba yung mga dapat tandaan, do's and don'ts, sa mga gustong magnegosyo katulad ng naisip ninyo?
Well, I think it's you have to find the need. You have to discover a need, especially in the food business.
Okay.
And then try to figure out how you can satisfy and fill in that need.
Talagang kukuha.
And that's what happened to us, no? And if you're putting up a restaurant, probably a good location, and all these things, it's got to be studied well. In other words.
Pero your business is running for just a year pa lang,
Yes,
ano?
ma'am.
What are the challenges na nakaharap ninyo dito sa negosyong ito?
Well, number one, you're into the food business, and you've got to do it right always. You know, because you've got to satisfy people, and you've got to make sure that they will not have a bad stomach after. No?
Ayun,
That's
oo.
the greatest challenge.
So far,
and by the grace of God, we have done it well so far up to this point in time.
Ayan. If you look at this lumpiang ubod, wala siya talagang sauce.
Yes,
Yan,
yes,
Pero
oo.
titikman natin siya.
Interesting yun na first
Para-
time ako nakakita ng lumpiang ubod na walang sauce.
Oo nga.
That's the Bacolod way.
Pero
They
hindi
don't
na
wear
kailangan ng sauce kasi malasa na siya.
It's in the paste actually.
Oo.
Yeah.
It's in the paste actually. Okay, Patty, tikman mo yung chicken mo.
Parang maano ata to. Sige, wait.
Lolo Art, can you
Yes.
invite yung
Oh my
mga televiewers natin? Ano yung website na pwede
Oh,
nilang
God.
i-visit?
Well, I think it's being flashed on the screen. You can find us in our Facebook page, www.facebook.com/chicken-sarap-towers.
And ito naman, ang barbecue.
Kumusta
Alam
naman Ate
ako.
Weng?
Ano siya naman?
Is it good?
Yeah, kagaya, kung paano ang amoy niya na masarap, masarap din ang lasa.
Thank you.
Yan.
Thank you.
Thank you again, Lolo Art, for gracing us this
Thank you so much.
morning.
This is also my privilege of being here at Net 25. Yes, thank you so much.
Yan.
Okay, so thank you so much, Lolo Art. So, salamat po ako homepage for staying with us. So, kayong maglilipat ng channel, magbabalik pa ang homepage.
And by the way, can I invite just a few seconds?
Sure, no problem.
There will be a Negros Trade Fair September 26th
Okay.
to the 30th next month.
Number 26.
And Lolo Art's Chicken Sarap will be there. I'm inviting all of you to come over and taste our delicious food stuff,
Ayan.
grilled stuffs.
Yay!
Okay,
Thank you so much.
Thank you, thanks,
Thank you
Lolo
so much.
Art.
Miss
Salamat
Meg.
po.
Thank you, Miss Patty. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Sa homepage at homepage.